how much did I pay for this? It was, you know what it is, it was good value. It was £65. And especially when you've got this. Today we are staying at the 4-star Grey Street Hotel in Newcastle upon Tyne. So let us show you what you can get on a Sunday night. Book direct with the hotel on their winter special offer. So we are at room 35. There you go. Okay. Nice little touches. So we have a nice king size bed. Nice high ceilings. I've done a bed test and it is soft mattress. Ladies, you've got a mirror. Nice little TV. What do we have? Spring water bottles. Grey Street Hotels. Dear guest. Just information on breakfasts, room service, things like that. There is a spa downstairs. So it's interesting to know the city spa actually has a good reputation. So this is really interesting to know. Comes up with some prices and things, memberships. So there you go, signature back massage 25 minutes is £36. An hour full body is £85, so it's not that bad price for a hotel. Breakfast. So we have breakfast options, £15 per person. Served till 7 till 10, so Saturday, Sunday half, 8 till half 10. Continentals, hot and cooked to order breakfast. 24-hour room service. When I stay in some kind of city hotels, I tend not to get breakfast anyways, just because there's so many independents that serve fantastic breakfast and coffees and things like that, so I tend to use them. But yeah, you've got your normal stuff, safe, hangers, ironing board. Right here, what's this? Kettle, biscuits, little milks, chamomile teas, English breakfast, peppermint, Earl Grey. I did notice there was an ice machine downstairs as well. You've got your standard safe, extra towels. Oh, what's this? Oh, hairdryer, that's good. So yeah, for the price that I paid, not bad at all. So this, I'll show you the views. Aside the dirty windows with 3rd floor, and you've got some nice restaurants all down this street here. Yeah, the windows do need cleaned. Gosh. Right, let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Yep, just basic. Extra towels, bath mats, shower over a bath. And what do we have here? Lime blossom and orange shampoo, conditioner, bath and shower gel. What's the shower like? No, that was that one. Oh, come on, we need to figure this out. How on earth do you use the shower? Oh gosh. That way. Oh, there you go. We're working. Okay. So with the top nozzle, where's the shower? Turn that on. We have a sink, extra towels, there's a plastic bath mat, which is probably good because you might sit on the floor. and very good lighting for makeup. So yeah, when you do your makeup and your hair, good lighting, good LEDs. Absolutely fantastic value for the night, £65, city centre, few minutes walk from Central Station, couple of minutes walk up the road and you've got the theatre, you're close to all the arenas and everything like that. Let's do a bed test. So we'll see what it's like tonight. The bed is quite soft. It's not a firm mattress, it's a soft mattress. So we've got one soft. Hoping this, yeah, that's good. That's some nice fresh flowers. Are these fresh? No, they're not. The plastic. Telephone. Plenty of storage. Shut the curtains. I hope these are blackout. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Street Hotel. Let's go explore some more. Okay, so what are we going on? We'll just go to the ground floor. Breakfast on that B level 2. Now if you leave this hotel and turn right, head up the street about 3 or 4 doors up and you will come across a nice little venue called Mother Mercy. They serve some fantastic food and drink in there and really tasty cocktails too. So I'll pop the descriptions below and some links to it as well. But if you don't fancy that, you are very city centre and there are plenty of other places to choose from. It's worth noting as well that this hotel does not actively have a restaurant or bar in it, so you will need to venture out if you are looking for some food or drink. Dirty martini time. And all them free cruises. See you anyway. Restaurants, if you are looking for an absolutely fantastic restaurant for the evening, I strongly recommend French Quarter, which is towards the Central Station area. I'll pop a link in the descriptions anyways of what I think. So if you're planning on couples getaway just for a cheap little night away, it's meant to be a 4-star, but I do think they need to recategorize it as a 3 because they don't have a restaurant, they don't have a bar anymore because it was closed, it's shut down. It was linked to the hotel, but now it's not. I did book this on their own website, and it was a winter special offer. So want to bear in mind. Now I will be doing a review of another Newcastle hotel in a couple of weeks' time, and then once I've done all the little local bits, then I'll start introducing more travel. Yeah, we've travelled over 21 countries and I've got so much travel content that I need to upload and start talking about and giving top tips. So if you thought this video was useful, because this is our first video and we do plan to do so much more, and there's going to be so many mistakes that's going to be made, and they do say your first one is shite, so you know, let me know, drop a comment, like and subscribe, because this will help my channel massively. This is what I intend to do, is just, you know, just go around experiencing new things, trying new things, eating and drinking new things, because that's potentially my favourite thing to do. So what did I make of Grey Street Hotel? It's in need of modernisation, but you know what it is? For £65 for the night, you cannot complain. It was clean, the bed was okay. Yes, I did stay on a Sunday night, so I did get that offer. It was a winter special that was booked directly on their own website. Normally the prices for those, I believe it was a deluxe king room that I booked, which was the medium category. I think normally those prices tend to go for about 120, 140 for a weekend, like a Friday or a Saturday night. Don't let that put you off. You know, it is, that city is fantastic if you just want a quick little getaway somewhere. Hop on the train, couple of minutes walk from Central Station and you're at the hotel. You're central to everything. You're central to the, a couple of minutes for the theatre. You're about 5-minute walk from Central Station. You've got the arena, you've got the quayside, which is further down the bank. But I do plan to be doing a lot more content regionally. I'll get the regionally stuff over and done with. I do have some fantastic trips coming up this year in 26. One of them in particular, which I'm really looking forward to, is New York at Christmas. I've never done New York at Christmas before. I have done it previously without children, but I am going to be taking children this time. So it'll be really curious to know what it's like at Christmas time with kids. I don't know if it's going to be good or if it's going to be bad. Too busy or not, because I do like quiet, but I also love New York. I think it's fascinating. And I think we're planning on doing around 8 Caribbean islands as well. I've done the majority of the Caribbean already, but there's a few of them that I've not done before, like St. Lucia. So if you found this video helpful, please just drop us a like or subscribe to the channel, because I will be uploading a lot more content over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching.